Hi and welcome to Talk It, Do It, the channel where we look at tech but try to do a bit more than hello world. In today's video, we will use a publicly available Postgres MCP server, but we will create and add our own tool, just to show you the potential of using shared MCP servers for our own use cases. Links are in the description, go check them out. Here I have created some mock seed data for a fictitious trading system database. Here I have some data for users, trades, assets, exchanges and more. Imagine this being a real-time database. It has huge potential. And this is how I added the MCP servers to my Claude desktop configuration so that I can use both the public code and also our local clone. And now we can see this in action. First, we can make sure we have the MCP servers showing as available for this session. We can see both of the MCP servers ready to go. Hopefully you notice there is only a single tool available for both, that being query. Let's start by asking Claude to list the tables we have in our database. Claude has successfully listed the tables in the database, which you should recall from earlier when I showed you the tables we set up. I have uploaded some query formats that I would like Claude to use, and we could add more instructions that suit our particular needs, if needed, to ensure a more efficient experience with the LLM based on our specific needs. But for now we should be good. I have been asking Claude to check our data and look at allocations, performance of the traders, and current assets in the portfolio. This is just some example questions I am asking. You can ask other questions based on your needs and your data. We can see the responses to our queries, and it's really good to lean into the intelligence of the models, and also to see how the MCP servers, with the tools we create, access data. This starts to offer a really powerful way of talking to our data and getting fast and satisfying responses with much less effort, and allowing us to focus on value rather than trying to build things manually and potentially wasting lots of valuable time. Another good thing we can do by using this approach is to now ask Claude to create a visualization of the curated data Claude has provided us with so far. Check this out as we watch Claude build us a visual set of charts in real time. Just look at this. It's just something simple for now, but imagine the potential of this building real-time analysis charts and hooking this into alerts or even trade executions. Remember, this is mock data for this simple test we are doing, so ignore the price of the assets. And just to show that we can use both of the MCP servers on the same set of data, I have just asked Claude to do the same again, but this time using the public MCP server. We should get the exact same data. And the charts look exactly the same, which is what I expected. Different MCP servers but querying the same data. Pretty cool. Now this is where the fun really starts. A quick note to mention that Claude Code can now be used with the Max plan. Let's ask Claude Code to add a new tool for us named Add, which should allow us to create a table. Currently the MCP server allows for read-only queries. This is how we can extend public MCP servers if we clone locally and build our own version. Try to fork and create a pull request with the tools and give back to the community. I needed to restart Claude Desktop so that it could pick up the new Add tool we have created. And now we can see that we have the tool in our local version and that the public one still only has the query tool. Very good to see. Let's ask Claude to use our local MCP server and create a new table called Talk It, Do It. Select Allow Always so we can use it for this chat session. It says it's created, so let's list the tables and confirm. And it has created it. And we can also check in the PG admin tool as well. It has been created successfully. Now I want to show you that the public MCP server has not changed and that it is still read-only. Let's use Claude to try and create a table using the public MCP server, and it failed as expected. This is good to see as this gives us lots of flexibility. The standard PostgreSQL MCP server comes with just the query tool. We've added a new add tool that takes two parameters: table name, the name for the new table; columns, a string containing column definitions in standard SQL format. This is how we extend Claude's capabilities to not just read data, but also create new data structures. I will push this code to my GitHub soon with full instructions on how you can set this up and have a go yourself. This is the end of this short video. I hope you found this useful. I want to thank you for your time today. I really do appreciate it. I hope to see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day, and thank you again for watching.